Hey guys, I'm doing a review of this Nadamu Lotta Mint Chip dairy-free ice cream, and this is the NutriFound. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. Here is the ingredients. If you always want to read that, pause the video. I've already tried these three: vanilla. This one's their cookies and cream. This one here is chocolate cookie dough. And let's do the mint one next. So let's open this up. Alright, so chocolate mint, here we go. It's got, actually the mint is really coming through. I can smell it from here. Let's do a taste test. You can see the chocolate chips in there. Okay, so have you ever eaten one of those little after 8 candy bars? That's basically what this one tastes like. Those little after 8 mints that they used to make. I don't know if they still make them, but that's what this one tastes like. It's actually really good, quite refreshing. Now, if I had to choose which one is the best and most unique taste, I would have to go with this one, the mint. The one that has the best texture would probably be the cookies and cream. And if I had to choose one overall, I would say the mint is actually probably my favorite, just because it's different. Yeah, it's really different. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.